It is a joy that the theme of this exhibition is plant forests of home, because the home is the core from which everything begins. It is where life starts and from where we open ourselves to the world. What better place to reconnect with the natural environment to which we belong? I hope all the people enjoy this beautiful exhibition, and I'm very, very grateful to be a part of it.
I really like the choice of theme and the different exhibition spaces, which make the visit more immersive and memorable.
I am Catarina Gomes.
My illustration style is a mixture between analogic and digital techniques, authentic, expressive, and fun. When I have time or need to empty my mind, I do my therapy and cut out things that I then animate.
Is very close to my heart. I really like to be at home. I very like cozy areas, and nature is also a big thing in my life.
My illustrations, Let's Go to Bali, is about Bali. Bali is very rich in cultural activities. There are often colorful and magical spiritual ceremonies there. Bali is also well known for its beautiful nature. I am very happy and grateful to be able to participate in this Plant Forest at Home exhibition. And I think it is fantastic that through this exhibition, the children in Taiwan will be able to see many cultures from various illustrators from many parts of the world.
今回、私の絵の展示機会をいただき、嬉しく思います。かけがえのない時間をテーマに制作をしています。私の作品、僕たちネギ坊主のおうち、自然、愛なんかをキーワードにした絵本となっています。多くの方たち、とりわけたくさんの子どもたちがこの素晴らしい展示会を楽しんでくれることを祈っています。
Il Parco di Margherita è stato il primo libro che ho scritto e illustrato da sola. Questa mostra rappresenta lo spirito della storia che racconto e il potere che la natura ha di unire persone diverse.
Good morning, I'm Lorenzo Bartolucci. My job is a carpenter, and so when I make my project, it's natural for me to step out of the D-dimensionality of the sheet of paper and create 3D works that I then photograph. These illustrations are meant to tell the famous Alice in Wonderland novel in a more modern version. I'm very happy to be part of this exhibition. It's a pleasure for me that my work is seen by so many people, even outside of Europe.
Hello, my name is Olga Nikishina. This time I used carbon paper technique. And I wanted to combine it with watercolor to create this fluid world of my grandmother combined with the rigid world of carbon paper. The theme of this exhibition, Plant the Forest at Home, resonates deeply with me. My grandmother's experiences show how even within the familiar walls of a home, the whole world of wonder and magic can exist.
This theme of the forest and what we can plant in our homes, it's regarding our future and the reality that we need to live in, the friendship between species, trees, animals, humans. We need to defend this peace that we can find in nature.
《家或许是有关系的联系，是一个特定的空间，又或是那些你珍惜的事物。我想家有无数种样貌， 或许在不同的时刻、不同的心境里，总会被重新定义。对你来说，家又是什么呢？
It is comforting to see how cultural institutions are tirelessly working to bring us back to nature, as a part of us that we often forget. Returning to nature from our home is very important, as years of very quick industrialization have made us turn our backs on it.
So, I hope the exhibition goes well and that you have lots of visitors. Now in Portuguese, eu espero que a exposição corra bem e que tenham muitos visitantes.
I want to extend my warmest wishes for the exhibition. I hope it inspires you to discover the magic that is there everywhere in everyday life.
欢迎大家走进这次的展览，在每一幅来自世界各地不同的插画家的创作里，寻找你对家的连结。